Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a video on I tried to follow a blank makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing Kimberly Margarita, otherwise known as Color Creep's makeup tutorial on this melty metallic look that she just posted on her channel. So I have it playing on my phone and we're gonna get started. So she starts with her base done, so I already have my foundation, concealer, powder on, and she is using a little denim dress from NYX. I know some people have it playing like up in the side here as well, but I don't know how to do that, and I don't want to get like copyright infringement. So I'm using little denim dress like she does here, and I'm taking a little brush, and she said just stipple this on, so that's what we're gonna do. It kind of goes out from the eye all the way up to the eyebrow, down a little bit more. So I chose this tutorial because I do have a lot of the same products or dupes for the products she used, so that is why I wanted to do this one. I thought about doing Jeffree Star one, but I don't have nearly the amount of products that he has in order to do a full-on tutorial like that. All I have is a highlighter and a couple liquid lipsticks. So yeah, and I know it doesn't have to be like perfect, but I want it to look somewhat similar. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit more. Okay. So now I'm going to switch colors. I'm going to do one eye and then do the other eye off camera, just because I think that's going to work the best. So now I am taking Respect the Pink from NYX. She used a Sugar Pill, the new Little Twins liquid lip, but I don't have that. So I'm going to take this on a brush. I still wash my brushes anyway, so I figured I would just like destroy them all while I do this. So I just filmed another video today all about my weight loss, my fitness, it's kind of like the precursor to anything I talk about when it comes to just kind of blending these together here. When it comes to fitness, mental health, my relationship with food, all of that. And I realize it's very, very rambly, so when I do post it, I might have to kind of cut some stuff, even though I initially say like I didn't want to cut any of it. I'm realizing as I put this on, this is much brighter than her colors, but it's the same concept. So that's what matters. Hers is much more pastel and mine is more neon, I think, definitely because of the pink. And she may have mixed in some stuff with the blue, I'm not sure. But there is that so far. I think it's super pretty, especially when it comes together on her face. It looks really, really nice. So the next thing she used is a yellow shadow, and I will have to grab one, so I will be right back. So I decided I'm going to replace it with purple, and this is Sway from NYX, and I'm just going to pick some of this up and start stippling it on. Hopefully it's not too similar to the pink. No, you can tell the difference. And I'm just using like regular makeup brushes. I'm not using paint brushes or anything special. I'm not mixing anything in with these. Just liquid lipsticks, but please make sure that they are eye safe or that you don't have a reaction to them. I have done this multiple times, so I don't have to worry about it as much because I already know how my skin reacts. Last thing she did is pop some of this like teal, I think it was Acid Berry in the video, but I'm just going to take the Next Morning from NYX, and she puts this on the inner corner. I want it to be like a brighter teal, so I think I'm going to use my finger just because this will kind of pop it out more. Okay, I think it looks like too neat almost, but we'll see how it looks. So I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll come right back to finish up the tutorial. Now that I have like the paint part done, I'm going to highlight, and she just used her finger and some sugar pill highlights, so I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlights because there are similar colors. So I'm just going to use my finger like she does and go into Orion and tap this on top. It's not quite exactly like hers, but you know, it's close. And then I'm going in with Spectra on top of the pink. I'm running out of fingers. I'm going in with Luna over top of the purple. And for the last one, I think I'm going to go in with Helia. And that's the kind of yellow shade. Put that over top of the green. This way it looks a little bit different than the other blue. So now we do the other side. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. She used white, and I think she just used like a white eye base. So I'm going in with the NYX white eye base in white on a liner brush because that's all I have. I think she used a spoolie, but this works too. Okay, I think this looks pretty similar. I'm gonna check back to the video real quick. Okay, so then she put on white mascara, and I'm just using my Voluminous primer because this is the only like white mascara I have. Even though this is just like a primer, it does make your lashes pretty white. Then she took some white paint and kind of splattered it all around and then did some more defined dots. I don't have my white paint with me, so I'm just gonna do the dots with the eye base. Maybe I can just like kind of create the same splatter effect. So I blended some out with my finger just so that they look a little bit more splattered and a little less perfect. I still feel like my lashes look too dark, so I'm going to hit them with primer again, like going on the back of the lash too. There we go. That's now time for lips. Okay, so she contours with some pink shadow. I'm going to grab some to do that, but first I'm going to do my lips. And I am going to use this color here. She uses just kind of a soft pink. I'm using, so I had to switch to my phone because my camera decided to just stop working. So I am going to finish this look off with some blush. I'm just going to take a very small amount here. She goes up into the hairline with it. Like, she just basically uses it as her contour. So it's just going to be pink rather than like a tan or something. Do a little on the nose. I'm gonna hit that hairline a little bit more just so it stands out. And she did her jawline as well. Alright, so this is it. This is my attempt at recreating a Color Creep / Kimberly Margaritas melty metallic face paint, whatever you want to call it. I'm not quite sure the title of the video, but I'll link it down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you share this video so that she sees it. You know, tag me in her comments on Instagram of this photo or something. So she is one of my biggest inspirations. So it'd be really cool if she saw this photo. Or this video. It'd be amazing if she saw this video. So that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and I will see you guys next time. Bye.